Okay, guys, we're gonna see what this is all about. I downloaded a few apps and yeah, creative. Come on, guys, let's just hurry up with this. It's loading in the world. Okay. Let's just play. Okay. Guys, you can see that I have 4 controls. You can see that I'm both jumping. Okay, so I'm going control. How do I move? Walk. Crouch. Okay, I'm going to try to move. How do I move again? I'm punching the other guy. I'm about to punch this man. Okay. So guys, I do not know how to... Wait, I walked. Okay. Let's just control this one up here. Okay. You guys can see that I'm moving. Oh my guys, now. Okay, guys. This is gonna be a challenge for me. I'm actually going to explore with one character. One character is just gonna build a house. And the other characters is gonna do one thing. Okay, so this character. Let me move here. See which character on any screen. I'm punching wood. Forever. I just found food. I'm gonna punch this ball. Oh my gosh, it does so much damage. Punching it. I'm really bad at punching. Move! Boy. I'm just gonna kill my character and see what happens. Make this guy move. This guy chase after him. Well, guys, I don't know what's going on. It's first time to leave. But guys, seriously, I hope you just saw me. Right now, I don't know what's going on, but yeah, we're gonna be catching up on stuff a lot. So I hope you like it, and I hope you subscribe. Leave a like if you thought that was. You know what? Yeah, that will be very short, guys. So I hope you like the video. Goodbye.